Tired of those subscription fees sneaking up on you? Today, we're taking control and showing you how to cancel your Canva Pro subscription or free trial in just a few simple steps, so you can avoid any unwanted charges. First, head over to Canva.com and make sure you're logged into the account you want to cancel. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. It usually displays your initials or profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and click on Billing and Plans. This will take you to the subscription management area of your Canva account. Now, scroll down the Billing and Plans page until you see the subscription section. Here you should find details about your current Canva Pro plan. Look for the button that says Cancel Subscription. Click on that. Canva will ask you to confirm your cancellation and may ask you for a reason. You can select a reason or skip this step if you prefer. Then, confirm your cancellation by clicking the Cancel Subscription button once more. You should now receive a confirmation message that your Canva Pro subscription or free trial has been successfully canceled. You'll likely still have access to Canva Pro features until the end of your current billing cycle, then your account will revert back to the free version.